Now, I may be mistaken, but I think Keeley may be laying her 4th clutch of eggs, because she keeps trying to get the best comfort position in her nest, and she seems very protective of it today. And not only that, but Kev keeps flying over. Where is he? He's over there. He keeps flying over to make sure that I'm not disturbing her. So he spotted me. I love how she goes all like super puffy whenever she's like looking after some eggs or something. This would be her 4th clutch since I've had her. And I'm going to explain why he's acting the way he is right now. I wish I didn't have this cage in the way to be able to film them. I love documenting little things that they end up doing. She's like, leave me alone, I'm trying to lay eggs. Or hatch eggs. Or lay them. Leave her alone, bud. You can't force this. And then, of course, just zoom up a little bit. We got Kermit. And they're just communicating between these two. He's wanting to know what's going on. They're so sweet.